Lake effect snow blasts the Great Lakes. And it's not just New York. We looked at northern Ohio. This is Richfield, just south of Cleveland, a 20-plus vehicle pileup on the interstate. Now, when we look into New York, that's where you're measuring in feet. In and around Buffalo, they're getting over a foot to a foot and a half. Then you get to the Tug Hill Plateau. That's just to the east of Lake Ontario. You're talking 2 to 3 feet. It's still coming down. So the first significant snowstorm of the season is a quick reminder that winter is right around the corner.